Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Coinbase using an easy method. First, you'll need to set up your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or download the app, then sign up with your email and create a secure password. You'll then complete identity verification, which is a crucial step for security and compliance. Once your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Navigate to the Add a Payment Method section. You can link a bank account for larger transfers or a debit card for instant purchases. Select your chosen method, enter the amount you want to deposit, and confirm the details. It's a straightforward process to get your funds ready. Now for the exciting part, buying crypto. On the Coinbase dashboard, look for the Buy/Sell button. Select the cryptocurrency you want to acquire, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest, and Coinbase will show you the equivalent crypto amount. Review your order carefully before confirming the purchase. After confirming your purchase, your new cryptocurrency will instantly appear in your Coinbase wallet. You can view your portfolio's performance and manage your assets directly from the app or website. Remember to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security and consider storing larger amounts in a hardware wallet for extra protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.